Descaling your AEG SteamPro command wheel oven is essential to keep it in excellent condition, improving the quality of food and extending the life of the appliance. When the oven detects limescale buildup, it will recommend descaling. If this is ignored repeatedly, then a second reminder will appear, saying cleaning is obligatory, and the steam functions will be disabled until descaling is carried out. This is to protect the appliance. To start the descaling process, wait until the oven is cold and remove all accessories other than the shelf supports. Then empty the water drawer and return it to its housing. Next, place your deep tray onto shelf position 1. Turn the oven on and enter Menu, Cleaning, and then Descaling. Pour 250 millilitres of specialist descaling agent such as this one, which is available on the AEG website, into the water drawer. Fill the remaining part of the drawer up to max with water. Press Start and the descaling process will begin. It will last around 2 hours. The oven light will remain off during this process, and the oven cannot be used or the cycle interrupted. After around 100 minutes, you'll be asked to rinse, and then refill the water drawer to max with fresh water, and to empty the tray, and then put it back into position. Press to start the second part of the cycle, which is the rinse phase. This lasts around 30 minutes. Once complete, remove the tray and dry the oven cavity with a soft cloth. Remove the water drawer, pour away any leftover water, and give it and the oven tray a good clean. Leave the oven door open until the cavity is dry and then replace the oven accessories. Your oven is now ready to use again. You'll find additional information on the descaling feature as well as guidance on cleaning and maintaining your oven in the user manual. Or if you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.